How to change hotspot name on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can change your hotspot name on your Android device. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings. Locate the settings app and then open it up. After you do that, after you're on your settings, you'll find your network and internet section. Tap on that. And after you do that, you'll find your hotspot and tethering. Simply tap on it. After you do that, you will then see Wi-Fi hotspot. So you can enable that. And after you enable that, you can then change its setting. So tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot again. And then you'll find the hotspot name option. Tap on it. Then change the name for it. So change it to whatever you want. After you change it, tap on OK. And then your hotspot's name is now changed. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you can change your hotspot name on your Android. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.